everyone, I thought I would do a quick nail video for you guys. It's been a minute since I've done one, and I ended up doing a set that I am super in love with, and I just thought I would share these with you guys. So I will be doing it on some false nails. I do have them basically prepped and ready to go. I will be using 2 gel nail polishes. One is from Girl to Girl, one is from Huration, and I will link these down below. The Girl to Girl shade is a beautiful nude type of like almost rose. It's super, super pretty. I really, really like this color. It's almost peachy too. And then this one right here from Huration is just a gold glitter, and it is pretty sheer. I actually used, I think, 3 coats of this. Even with 1 coat, it's super pretty, but I kind of wanted to go a little bit more shiny, a little bit more opaque, so that's what I ended up doing. My Venalisa top coat, I'm using this on the nails that have glitter on them. And then I have the Venalisa base coat. I'll be using this on all of the nails. And I'm also going to use my favorite matte top coat, and that is the Venalisa matte top coat, the Nicole Diary white stamping polish. This is actually from Kiss. This is the Kiss gel regular nail polish, and it is in the shade 24K. And I just kind of thought, well, maybe it would go with the glitter that I have, and it turned out that it does, and it actually stamps. I was very impressed. I wasn't expecting it, but I thought, why not try it? Another thing I'm going to use is a jelly stamper. I love these. I think I paid $3 for this. It has 2 heads on it. I usually use the clear one so I can see my design as I'm putting it on, and that way I can make sure everything's perfect. I have a few very well loved scrapers. I'm going to be using a scraper today, probably 2 of them, since I'm going to be doing white and gold. And then this thing is freaking fantastic. So this is from BeautyBigBang. It's a stamping plate, and this is in, does it have, I guess it doesn't have anything on the outside, but it says it is the extra large 076. And oh my gosh, guys, this is freaking beautiful. I'm using this design on all of the nails that have a design, minus the thumb. On the thumb, I'm actually using this one right here. This is really long, so it didn't get the full design, but that's totally fine. It's absolutely gorgeous. Freaking love BeautyBigBang. They make the best nail stamping plates I have ever tried, and they're usually under $2. Free shipping. Not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the thumb. I did go ahead and apply the base coat. I've already cured it in the lamp, so it's, like I said, these are all primed. They are good to go. I'm going to go ahead and hop in with the Girl to Girl shade. It is in 187, and again, guys, all of this will be linked down below, of course. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of this. I'm going to try and do a very thin layer every single time, because I do not want it to bulk up. This is a little bit thicker than some other polishes I have tried. And I just want to make sure that everything is good and even. You know how it goes. And after I apply my first layer, I will be popping this into the gel lamp. Okay, so I went ahead and did the second layer as well. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is take some rubbing alcohol. This is 50%. And I'm going to take a cotton ball, and I'm just going to wipe off that tacky layer. I'm going to go in with my matte top coat, and I'm going to apply one really, really thin layer on this nail, and then I'll be popping it right back into the lamp for about 30 seconds. Alright guys, I applied that matte top coat, I put it in the lamp, and as you guys can see, it is perfectly matte. This is gorgeous. So while I was doing this, I went ahead and did the very same thing to 2 more of the nails. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is stamp. So for this design, I'm actually going to use my clear stamper so I can make sure it's in the middle and it's even. I'm actually going to go in with this design right here with the gold nail polish from Kiss. Okay guys, I stamped that design onto the thumbnail. I'm going to go ahead and top coat it with that matte top coat one more time and then pop it into the lamp. Alright, so now the thumb is complete. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and then work on the other nails. I'm going to go ahead and work on these two nails right here before I start on the gold. What I'm going to do is use the same stamping design for both of them. I'm going to take this stamp right here, which is the one that's already on my finger, and I'm going to use a white stamping polish. This is the one from Nicole Diary. So I'm going to go ahead and get stamping and I'll be right back. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and top coat these with that same matte gel top coat from Benelisa. And then I am going to pop these into the lamp. Okay, so now we are down to the middle finger and the pinky. And I am going to use this gel polish here from Horation. This is the gold glitter one. Alright, so I am applying one coat of the gold glitter gel. Okay, so this is actually with one layer of that gold glitter gel. I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the lamp before I apply the second. I will be doing a total of 3 layers because, as you guys can see, this is incredibly transparent. Super beautiful though if you wanted to go with more of like a jelly-like type of nail. This finger right here actually has 3 layers on it, and if you hold it up to the light, it's pretty transparent, but when you're looking down on it, it doesn't really look like you can see anything other than the gold glitter. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat real fast. And then I'm going to pop these right back into the lamp. Now I'm doing a third layer on these nails. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and put these into the lamp. Okay guys, here we are. They are still a little bit transparent, but they are gorgeous. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat it with my Benelisa No Wipe top coat. Put them in the lamp and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love these nails. They are so pretty. They're very feminine. I feel like almost Baroque. I think they're just adorable. If you guys like this video, of course, please subscribe, give me a like. I definitely need a thumbs up every now and again. It makes me feel nice, helps my channel out. If you guys want to see more content like this, please comment down below and let me know that you guys are interested in more nail videos. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.